The present simple tense is a fundamental aspect of English grammar that is used to describe routine actions, habits, and general truths in the context of soil conservation. The present simple tense is essential for discussing everyday practices that help protect and nurture our environment. Let's explore some common soil conservation practices using the present simple tense. One simple practice is composting. People all over the world compost kitchen scraps and yard waste to create nutrient-rich soil for their gardens. For example, my neighbor composts food scraps from his kitchen every day, and he uses the compost to fertilize his vegetable garden. Another essential practice is planting cover crops. Farmers often plant cover crops like rye or clover to help prevent soil erosion and improve soil health. Farmers in my region plant cover crops every fall to protect their fields during the winter. Crop rotation is another important soil conservation practice. By rotating different crops each year, farmers can improve soil fertility and reduce the risk of pests and diseases. My uncle, who is a farmer, rotates his crops regularly to keep his soil healthy and productive. Many people also practice water conservation in their gardens. They use mulch to retain moisture and reduce water usage. For instance, my friend waters her garden early in the morning and uses mulch to conserve water throughout the day. In addition to these everyday practices, some communities organize cleanup events to remove trash and debris from their local environment. These events help protect the soil and promote a cleaner, healthier community overall. The present simple tense allows us to discuss these everyday soil conservation practices with ease. By incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can protect and preserve our soil for future generations. Let's continue to care for our environment and make a positive impact on the world around us.